In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Miro boards for other people. By the end, you'll know how to start a new board, set it up clearly, and share it with the right people using the right permissions. First, head to Miro.com and open your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in so you can create and share. From the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. You'll see a button or icon for creating a new item. Click that to get started. Next, choose Board. This opens a fresh canvas where you can build out ideas, plans, or workshops. Starting with a board keeps things simple and gives you all the core tools you need. Now, customize your board. Add text boxes for headings, sticky notes for quick ideas, shapes for structure, and connectors to show relationships. Use frames to create sections, think agenda, resources, tasks, and decisions, so everything is easy to navigate. If you want a head start, insert a template from Miro's library and tweak it to fit your use case. Keep the layout clean and consistent. Clear titles, a simple color scheme, and short labels go a long way. If others will edit, leave a short note at the top with guidance like where to start and how to add comments. When it looks ready for your collaborators, you're set to share. Click Share, usually located at the top right of the board. This opens a sharing panel where you control access. Give your board a clear title so recipients know exactly what it is. A descriptive name like the project or meeting it belongs to helps them find it later. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add one or several, and Miro will send the invitation directly to their inboxes. Double-check spelling so the right people get access. Choose the permission level that matches what they need. Viewer lets them see the board without making changes. Commenter allows feedback through comments and mentions, which is great for reviews. Editor gives full editing access for true collaboration. When in doubt, start with the least access needed and adjust later if required. Finally, click Send Invitations. Your invitees will receive an email with a link to the board. If they don't have a Miro account yet, they'll be prompted to set one up before joining. You can always return to the share panel later to update permissions or add more people. That's it. Your board is created, customized, and shared so others can jump in and collaborate seamlessly